Hey Lawson, let me help you here. I'm going to talk about some things that you need to fix in your paper. I'm going through and giving everybody feedback here. So the first thing that I want to talk about here is your works cited page. That's incorrect. There's several things here we need to work on, so make sure that you're using that Al Purdue website as a guide and using all the resources posted in the class. Very first thing is this is centered. Works cited is centered. There's no numbers on here. This is the website is not quite correct. So there's a lot more than just putting the website. I mean, you have some here, but it's out of order here. So you need to make sure that you go in and fix the formatting errors on here. So everything that you have posted here, there are examples in our shell and all the books that are posted, and then the Al Purdue website will tell you exactly how to do a personal interview. You put interview when you do your interview that you have for the final paper, not now, it wasn't required now, you will have to do a personal interview. So if this one, and it might not be what you're intending for your personal interview, make sure that you go and get a personal interview. This is a fine source to use. One, you just need to make sure you're citing it correctly, and two, make sure you do have that personal interview for the final copy. So with this, again, just make sure you're going to the Al Purdue website, the writing lab, the MLA format. It'll give you examples. It'll tell you exactly how to do a website, exactly how to do this kind of interview, exactly how to do a book, whatever it is you're using. It'll show you exactly how to do that. So now I want to go back up here and look at some of the things here. You don't put all of this. You're going to put last name and a page number. So, if you're using the title, you'd put the title, but all of that stuff that you have there, that's what you put in a works cited page, not in your paper. I noticed the same thing up here. You put, the interview, and you don't put all of that, and you put the whole website, and then that's incorrect format. So, make sure that you are, when you are using in-text citations, you're using, if you have author, you'll use the last name and a page number. If you have a title, you'll use the title at the end and a page number at the end in parentheses. So, and again, in the Al Purdue website, it gives those examples. So that's the first thing that you need to fix. So I'm a little bit confused because I don't see a thesis, and I don't see your thesis paragraph, and I don't see a thesis map. So what you need to have is your intro that defines what it is you're talking about, set up the stage, and then the paragraph after that is going to be your thesis paragraph. That's where you're going to have your overall thesis statement, and then underneath that you're going to have your thesis map that lists your A, your B, and your C. And I'm not seeing that here. I do see that something that possibly could be your A, B, and C right here. These people have managed to unite a people, make progress, and have the ability to change the world. That does sound like a very clear A, but it needs to go simply with a thesis your thesis paragraph. So what I would do, make your intro one paragraph, fix the citation, make this separate, finish this out so it's not so abrupt, add a little bit more here, and then put right here and you have your map. Now just add in your thesis statement that says, I can't pronounce that, so I'm not going to try, but a lot of people think that these people are doing harm, but these people are actually having a positive impact on our world, on our society, something like that. That's your overall thesis statement that tells us exactly where you stand, and I know that this is not how you believe, but it tells where this paper stands, and then you have your map. So I hope this helps. So make sure you go in there and fix those things. If you have questions, then let me know, but I will see you soon.